Last year, I celebrated Christmas along with my family and cousins in the Atlantis Hotel. But this year, I'll be celebrating it with just my mom and dad. We have been doing online learning since almost 8 months now, and this has helped us in many ways. We got to connect better with our teachers and our peers. We understood the concepts much faster. Students are much more confident to speak in class than before, and we explored new technologies. Lastly, I would like to thank all the teachers who have supported us throughout the year. Despite e-learning, they ensured that we do not face any trouble in understanding the concepts, and we get to participate in more and more competitions and events. We are very lucky to have them as our teachers, and I hope we get to meet all our teachers, our peers and our friends soon in school. Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas to all of you.
2020 has been a very interesting year. Pandemic did really take the fun out of celebrating birthdays and festivals, but also showed us how important it is to spend time with your family and friends, because we will never know what comes next. Distance learning, it has been quite interesting. It showed us how to be independent, but also helped teachers change their ways of teaching in a good way. Lessons have become much more interesting, according to me. With that said, I wish everyone a Merry Christmas.
COVID-19 pandemic, it has put us all in a very difficult situation. And I would like to thank the teachers who helped us through this by continuing school. And I would like to congratulate how they equally manage their own family duties inside their house and also their professional duties as a teacher. So I would like to thank them. I would like to thank them and congratulate them for doing this.
Year 2020 Xmas greetings to our dedicated teachers of JSSPS. We, the students of grade 11, are blessed to have you all as our teachers. For each day, you discipline and guide us towards our better future. We are spellbound by your stirring and enduring online sessions, for imparting noble values and academic knowledge is your primary mission. With kindness in your heart and selfless disposition, you keep us all occupied in undivided attention despite the challenges of the year 2020 COVID-19 pandemic situation. When we all students remained reserved during the distance learning session, you sprang forward to galvanize and dissolve our apprehension. Amidst this testing phase of global trials and tribulations, your intellectual intensity has been the driving factor for our motivation. Time and again, your solid stature and impartial nature shielded us from depression and disintegration. With grace and gravity, your teachers display impressive mastery and make learning fun in all subjects that seem to us as an unsolvable mystery. Every moment in your care and control, you make us feel so special and support us timelessly to realize our dreams and harness our potential. With a token of love and a heart of gratitude, we salute all our teachers together as the students of JSSPS Mass, and wish you all a day of non-stop laughter, joyous celebrations and countless blessings on this fully festive occasion of Merry Christmas. Poem by Satvika Mohan, grade 11C. Thank you.
I'd like to wish everyone a merry and a very happy Christmas, and I would like to thank all the teachers, school staff members, supervisors, coordinators involved in keeping us safe and happy during these times, and I hope everybody has a great vacation.
This Christmas I'll be spending time with my family. We won't be going out much because of the pandemic, but we'll make most of the situation by baking cakes as well as exchanging gifts. We also have our exams coming up after the holidays, so I'll be preparing for those as well. My teachers have been very supportive and has offered help in any subject that I need. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.